Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos or videos on your iPhone using the recently deleted folder. If you have accidentally deleted something, don't panic, you've got 30 days to bring it back. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your Photos application on your mobile device. Then scroll down to the bottom where it says Utilities. Inside here, tap on Recently Deleted, just like that. Tap on View Album, and you will need to verify using your Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This protects your deleted content. So once inside, you will see your deleted photos and videos with a countdown showing how many days are left before they are gone forever. If you would like to recover them, go ahead and simply tap on the item, and then tap on Recover. Then tap on Recover Photo again. But if you would like to recover multiple photos at once, go ahead and tap on Select, then select them, and then tap on the three dots, then tap on Recover. Now go ahead and tap on Recover again, and just like that, you will then be able to recover your photos or videos that you have deleted, accidentally or knowingly. So that is simply how you can bring back your deleted memories on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.